In this video we are going to learn how you can delete a workspace in Notion. So make sure that do watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so here I am having a workspace. Step 1 is going to be select the workspace you want to delete. So here I have a workspace here, and in order to delete that, what I can do, I have to go over on settings and members. Just click on it, and once this menu open, you have to again click over on settings. Once you are in settings, now just scroll down at the bottom, and in danger zone you can see there's an option to delete entire workspace. Just click on delete entire workspace and you will be able to delete your workspace. So all for today's video guys. I hope you have learned something new. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.